Head. Head means sir. H-E-A-D. Head. Eyes. Eyes means aankh. E-Y-E. Eye. Ear. Ear means kaan. E-A-R. Ear. Nose. Nose means naak. N-O-S-E. Nose. Lip. Lip means oat. L-I-P. Lip. Teeth. Teeth means daant. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Chin. Chin means toddy. C-H-I-N. Chin. Hair. Hair means baal. H-A-I-R. Hair. Neck. Neck means gardan. N-E-C-K. Neck. Chest. Chest means chhati. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Shoulder. Shoulder means kandha. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Stomach. Stomach means pet. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Elbow. Elbow means koni. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Ankle. Ankle means takhna. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle. Knee. Knee means ghutna. K-N-E-E. Knee. Hip. Hip means kulha. H-I-P. Hip. Hand. Hand means haath. H-A-N-D. Hand. Foot. Foot means पैर. F-O-O-T. Foot. Toes. Toes means पैर की उंगलियां. T-O-E-S. Toes. Fingers. Fingers means उंगलियां. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Arm. Arm means हाथ. A-R-M. Arm. Leg. Leg means टांग. L-E-G. Leg. Body. Body means शरीर. B-O-D-Y. Body. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Aleeza and Farzana, and don't forget to click bell icon for get a new videos notification.